Hey guys, I am in the car. I bet you didn't guess that. And I have come into town today. Not my town, because my town's a bit more of a butchers and bakers and candlestick makers type situation. But I've come somewhere that has a nice H&M because I want to see what they have new in for autumn. And I'm just going to focus on H&M. I quite often like to do that so that you can have a really good try on one store and you're not thinking ahead to what else is going to be there. It's a beautiful day. I'm in a really good mood. It feels so autumnal and I can't wait to see all of the jumpers and blazers and bits and bobs that are coming out. I hope that you guys are all good too. I know that the change in season can be a bit weird for people. I don't know what it is, just like the transition through. I feel like sometimes my skin goes haywire. I feel like it's been going strange recently. I don't know if that's because of the facial, but let me know below in the comments how you guys are. I love finding out what you guys are up to, and let's get shopping. We're in. I forgot my sunglasses, so if I'm still looking a little bit squinty, that's because it was so sunny outside. I'm headed straight into the autumnal coloured sections. I think there's going to be a lot to try on. So yeah, there's already so much that I can see and I'm feeling like that excited, overwhelmed, feeling look at all of these jumpers. Okay, I'm going to turn you around and show you what I'm going to pick up. I didn't already have a million jumpsuits in this kind of style. I'd pick that one up, but I have so many of them. This has gorgeous colours to it, but I'm not sure I need any kind of blouses, so I don't think I'll try that on. So if this camera is struggling to focus, it's a new Canon and it does have a bit of an issue, which they're sorting in October. I think I might already have to put the camera down because I want to pick up this coat here to try on and this jacket here, and I'm already holding a few things, so I think I will see you guys in the fitting rooms. I think this might be quite a try on because I've only just gone around the first section and I have so much to do, so I'm going to try it on because I had already gone over the number that I could try on and go back out there. So I think I'll try on by outfit. First up, this jumper is so soft and snuggly. I'm not wearing anything underneath and it doesn't feel itchy. I absolutely love this neckline because it's not too much, it's not irritating, it's not going to get in the way of my makeup, but it's also going to keep me warm, and I think it just looks a little bit nicer than having something just easily at the top there. It is a size small and I'd say it is already oversized, so you don't need to size up for it. It's got quite baggy arms, so this might be one that you're wearing now but not wearing when it comes into coat season, but you can easily like tuck it in and just wear it pretty relaxed. It's a lovely colour. It's somewhere in between, I'd say, like a grey and a brown. Does that make any sense? I think sometimes they call it a marl colour. And then on bottom I have these kind of flare jeans which are on the conscious rail, so I believe that they are kind of either recycled material or that kind of thing. Love the flare. You know that I like a white jean and they are so comfortable, feel really good on. Nice around the bum too, which is always nice, and I feel like they just fit nicely around the waist. This jacket is a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I love it. It's different. I love that it's different. I absolutely adore all of the colours on it and how it's designed. I am going to size down in it though. It's a size small and I definitely feel like I could go with an extra small. I've got a really baggy jumper underneath and I've still got a lot of room. Even in the arm, you saw that like wing arm on this jumper, but I've still got space. So I think I'll get it in an extra small, but it feels really nice. It feels really cozy. I love the oversized, almost boyfriend fits to it, but I feel like you can also make it look quite sleek, put together. Pair it kind of with all black, some Gucci loafers, that kind of thing, black bag, and it would be really easy to dress down, but also make it look kind of stylish. I never got into leather leggings, but I think I might have found my alternative. Just picked up a really simple tee. Sorry if you can see my bra through it. It is a little bit see-through, but it's super soft, like really lovely and soft. And these trousers. So I know they're a little bit different, but I think I absolutely love them. I often find the leggings kind of hard. I'm going to try them again this year, but I feel like all of these trousers usually look a bit better when they've had a few washes, and they're just some simple leather trousers which fit perfectly in length. They actually come to a really nice place, and I think they just, I don't know, They look really nice on. I love that they're just so different and something that I don't already have in my wardrobe, because sometimes it can get a bit boring when you're shopping for the same thing. Sorry, this t-shirt keeps coming untucked, I think, because it is so soft. But what do you guys think? I am hoping that they get a little less shiny. They're partly shiny because of this light, but also when they're washed a little bit, they'll just become a little bit more rustic. Probably wouldn't pair these together because, I don't know, actually it looks fine paired together, but I just probably would not wear this cardigan with it. I really like this cardigan. This usually isn't very me, but I actually did see this one online and I really liked it. And I do love it in the store as well. I think that I probably would wear it more so with black underneath than a white tee or a really nice brown t-shirt. I think that could look nice. But it's just snuggly, it's warm, again, so soft. I don't know what they do with their knitwear, but it feels gorgeous. And I think it's just really fun if this time of the year add a little bit of print, perhaps a really simple outfit. Keeping this outfit going because I picked up more jackets and coats than I did trousers. This isn't the blazer that I was after and I'm not sure it's the one. It's nice, it's probably just a little bit too much on the masculine side for me. It looks a lot more expensive than it is, but it has these shoulder pads. Probably could take them out, but I just feel so wide in the shoulders and I don't think that it's flattering for me. It looks quite top heavy. However, they have quite a few of these kind of double-breasted blazers out there, so I'm going to try and find the one that I'm after. Hi, I'm Laura and today I'm wearing my mum's coat to school. Okay, this is just a definite no. I feel like I'm swimming in a coat. I mean, it's a small and I like oversized coats, but I just feel like this is a bit ridiculous. Last thing of this batch to try on. I might have to do 2 or 3, I'm not sure. Hopefully I can do it all in 2 when I go back out. Just a really simple top. I like these as layering pieces. Again, so soft. I don't know what H&M have done this season, but everything seems really soft. And the neckline I think is really pretty, just perfect. I think it fits me really nicely and it's got this lovely detail on the sleeve too. The only thing that I wasn't sure about was the colour. I do like it, but it's somewhere in between, like usually a colour that I really like, a beigey pink, but I'm not sure it goes with, I don't know, it's kind of a bit in between. I feel like I'd rather it be a little bit more pink or a little bit beige, but maybe I'm just being a little bit fussy now, because actually it is a really nice simple top and I usually layer these under nearly everything, kind of dresses or jumpsuits, or on their own with jackets and then in coats. So maybe I'll have a look at the other colours. Okay, round 2, and I'm going to leave it at round 2 because my arms are hurting just from carrying all of these things around. So if there's anything else that I want, I'm just going to have to order it online or come back for it at another date. So first off, polo neck jumper. I kind of can't go wrong. Actually, I'm really liking this brown colour. I feel like it's a little bit different. I don't have something like it in my wardrobe, and what I really like about it, sorry I'm blowing out, it's not enjoying the lighting, so I'm going to stand back a little bit hopefully so that it doesn't keep going so white. Yeah, what I like is that it's actually oversized on the top and in the arms, but it's not too much in the body and you can easily tuck it in, because I often find when jumpers are a little bit too baggy all over, you can't tuck them in, and I'm always wearing high-waisted items and that gives you a really nice view actually of the trousers. I love the little stripe. I wasn't quite expecting them to be as tight on as they are, but actually I think that that's quite flattering. They are really comfortable too. They almost feel like leggings on because they have this elastic back to them. The only thing that I worry about that is that it will start to kind of gape over time and then they'll just become too baggy, but for now they're really comfortable and I don't think I could go down a size because they'd be feeling kind of tight. Next, this blouse. I thought that this would definitely be a yes, but it's actually a definite no for me. Don't think that it's doing me any favours. It's kind of too oversized everywhere. Gorgeous print, really pretty print. Hoping that they might bring out a dress in this print because they often do that. They bring out the print in lots of different items, but the tops, yeah, I just don't think it's doing anything for me. I got this tee back out of the bag of the stuff that I'm going to buy to try on this cardigan because nothing else quite went with it. I really like it. It just feels soft and easy and perfectly the right size. It's oversized but not too oversized. Really like the length because it's not too long. It still kind of makes me look at least a little bit tall, even though I'm not. And yeah, just easy, kind of like that chilled day vibes, and I like it. Kind of like Sunday walk, Sunday roast, feeling cozy and comfy. This is the blazer that I originally came in to do all of this shopping for, and I do really like it on, I must admit. So it's got this red colour going through it, which I thought was a little bit unusual, as well as a black and brown kind of tweed effect, which I like because again I can mix it. I can wear it like I am right now with some black trousers, but I can also wear it with brown, so it makes it a really versatile jacket. It's not got, I mean, it has got padding in the shoulders, but it's not too much. It's not coming out over my shoulders. In fact, I think it's quite flattering on my shoulders rather than the other way. And the double button just makes it look a little bit more relaxed. So yeah, I really like this one. Again, not sure I'd wear it with what I've got on, but you know, you've got to work with what you have in the fitting room. Yeah, I like. Only concern with this one is that I currently got it on with a t-shirt, and I'd say it's already slightly tight in the arms, so I could probably get a thin jumper under it, but not much more than that. And I believe I got this one in a size 10, so maybe I will try on the size 12 because I just don't care about numbers as long as it fits me. Oh no, I thought I'd try on this blazer as a comparison, and I'm not sure if I like it a little bit more. The button detail on it looks really nice. This one still has a red stripe running through it though, so we've still got the red, the brown and the black, so same principle with that, but I don't know. I wish that you guys were here to help me decide now. I think that I actually prefer this one. Ooh, that's thrown me. I don't know if this one looks a little bit cheaper. Will it focus? Because it's almost got this fake tweed look to it, whereas this one looks a bit more real. It does, however, look a little bit more like a suit you'd wear to work. I don't mind that look. Okay, I think I prefer this one. Never let me loose in H&M again. I'm getting all of those here. I feel like I may have gone crazy, but I do genuinely love it all. This is when I quite seriously need a bigger boot than a mini. And I'm back in the car. Sorry that I couldn't take you around for more than that. My hands genuinely hurt a little bit from carrying the bags and all of the items around the store, but I hope you enjoyed seeing what was new in H&M. I'm going to leave this video here because I'm actually putting it up today. So today is Friday, the day that I'm putting it up. Hope that you're all good. Please do give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure to subscribe if you are new because it really helps out my channel. Hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you all soon. Bye!